Welcome back. So the question here asks to state if each of the following statements is true or false. Give reasons for your answer. So let us take the statements one by one and move to the solutions. So the first statement is, in an elastic collision of two bodies, the momentum and energy of each body is conserved. It is a false statement. The linear momentum and energy will be conserved if both are considered in a system. But for individual bodies, this conservation of momentum and energy does not hold. This is because the impact during the collision may transfer energy or momentum of one ball to the other ball. The next statement is, total energy of a system is always conserved no matter what internal and external bodies forces on the body are present. This is a false statement. Internal forces will not change the energy of the system, but external forces can change the total energy by changing their magnitude or direction. Work done in the motion of a body over a closed loop is zero for every force in nature. This is also a false statement. This is true only for conservative forces like the gravitational force. For example, in this case of frictional force, that is non-conservative force, the work done in a closed loop cannot be zero as energy is wasted throughout. In an inelastic collision, the final kinetic energy is always less than the initial kinetic energy of the system. It is somehow true, but not always. In this case of inelastic collisions, few amounts of energy is converted into other forms of energy, such as sound or in deformation. Thus, final kinetic energy is always less as compared to initial kinetic energy. But in case of the explosion of a bomb, final kinetic energy is greater than the initial kinetic energy.